Begin by allowing yourself to arrive fully in this moment, without effort, without expectation. There is nowhere else you need to go, nothing else you need to achieve. Simply notice that you are here breathing aware. As your attention gently turns inward, you may sense how busy the mind has been, how it has been moving from thought to thought, memory to memory. There is no need to stop this movement. Just observe it with kindness, the way you might watch clouds drifting across a wide, open sky. Now, bring your awareness to the simple rhythm of your breath, not changing it, not controlling it, just noticing how the body knows exactly how to breathe on its own. Each inhale arrives effortlessly, each exhale releases naturally. With every breath out, imagine the body softly letting go of whatever it no longer needs to hold. Tension that has quietly accumulated in the shoulders, the jaw, the space around the eyes begins to dissolve, not because you force it to, but because awareness invites ease. As the breath continues, you may begin to feel a subtle slowing, as if the entire system is receiving a signal that it is safe to rest. The nervous system responds instinctively to presence. Heart rate settles. Muscles soften. The constant background hum of alertness gradually fades. You are not doing relaxation. Relaxation is happening through you. The body remembers this state. It has always known it. Allow your attention to gently scan the body, not as an examination, but as a warm, curious noticing. Sense the weight of the body being supported, the quiet intelligence that holds you upright or allows you to recline with ease. Notice the points of contact beneath you, how gravity is no longer something to resist, but something to surrender into. The simple act of feeling supported creates a deep permission to relax. Thoughts may still arise, and that is perfectly natural. When they do, acknowledge them softly and return to sensation. Feel the breath moving through the chest, the belly rising and falling in its own rhythm. In this space, the mind begins to realize it does not need to manage everything. Awareness itself is enough, and in that realization, a deeper calm begins to unfold. You might notice that as the body relaxes, the mind follows. Or perhaps the mind settles first, inviting the body to follow along. There is no correct sequence. There is only a gentle convergence towards stillness. This stillness is not empty. It is alive, alert, and deeply restorative. It is the field from which balance naturally emerges. As awareness deepens, the boundary between effort and ease begins to dissolve. You are no longer trying to meditate. You are simply being. In this being, the body shifts from a state of constant doing into a state of allowing. Repair, restoration, and recalibration begin quietly beneath conscious thought. Cells respond to coherence. Systems remember their natural rhythm. Notice how the breath now feels slower, fuller, more spacious. Each inhale carries a sense of renewal. Each exhale carries release. You may sense warmth spreading through the body, or a gentle heaviness, or a lightness. Whatever you notice is simply a sign that the body is listening to awareness and responding in its own way. In this relaxed attention, the mind becomes less interested in past and future. Time softens. The present moment expands. And within this expanded present, the body feels seen, acknowledged, and safe. This is the foundation of deep healing and balance. Not force, not struggle, but presence. Rest here for a few moments, allowing awareness to anchor itself more deeply. Let calm become familiar, not as a temporary experience, but as a natural state you can return to. Feel how effortless it is to be here now, breathing aware whole, and gently recognize that this calm is not something you created. It is something you remembered. As you continue to rest in this quiet awareness, allow your attention to become even more subtle, as if you are listening rather than focusing. The body is always communicating, not in words, but in sensations, rhythms, and quiet signals. There is an intelligence within you that has been guiding every heartbeat, every breath, every moment of balance since the beginning. You do not need to figure it out. You only need to notice it. Begin by sensing the body from the inside. Feel the gentle pulse of life moving through you, the soft current that animates every cell. Perhaps you notice the heartbeat steady and patient, or the warmth flowing through the chest and the abdomen. This awareness is not analytical, it is intimate. It is a kind of listening that happens when the mind steps aside and allows the body to speak in its own language. As you listen, you may become aware of subtle sensations you normally overlook. A gentle tingling in the hands, a sense of expansion in the chest, a quiet vibration beneath the surface of the skin. These are not distractions. They are messages, reminders that the body is alive with intelligence and constantly adjusting, constantly seeking balance. When you bring attention to these sensations without judgment, you are acknowledging the body's wisdom. Notice how effortlessly the body maintains order. Without instruction, it regulates temperature, balances chemistry, coordinates movement, and repairs itself moment by moment. This intelligence does not require your conscious effort. In fact, it functions best when it is not interrupted by constant mental interference. By listening instead of directing, you create space for this inner wisdom to do what it does naturally. You may also notice areas that feel tight, heavy, or distant. Instead of trying to change them, simply bring gentle awareness there, like a soft light. Awareness itself is healing. When a part of the body feels seen and acknowledged, it begins to respond. Tension may soften, breath may deepen, sensation may shift, or it may simply remain as it is, and that is perfectly fine. Listening does not demand immediate results. As you stay with this quiet noticing, the relationship between you and your body begins to change. The body is no longer something you manage or control. It becomes a partner, an ally, a living expression of intelligence. Trust begins to replace effort. And with trust, the nervous system relaxes even more deeply. The mind may occasionally return with questions or commentary. When it does, thank it gently and return to sensation. The deepest listening happens beyond thought. It happens in stillness, in presence, in the simple experience of being embodied. Here, the body feels safe enough to reveal its subtle rhythms. You might sense that beneath surface sensations, there is a deeper field of quiet awareness, a unifying presence that connects every part of the body. This is the same intelligence that coordinates the whole. When you rest in this field, you are not just listening to the body, you are remembering that you are the awareness in which the body appears. Allow this recognition to settle. Feel how it dissolves the need to force healing or chase balance. The body already knows the way. Your role is simply to remain present, attentive, and kind. In this state, balance is not something you achieve, it is something that unfolds naturally. Stay with this listening for a few more breaths, allowing trust to deepen and effort to fade. Knowing that the wisdom you are touching now is always available to you. As this quiet listening continues, you may begin to sense that balance is not only physical, but emotional and energetic as well. Every experience you have ever had has left a subtle imprint, not as a story in the mind, but as a sensation in the body. Emotions that were never fully felt, moments of stress that passed too quickly to be processed, expectations you carried without realizing it. All of these can linger as patterns of tension or contraction. There is nothing wrong with this. It is simply how the human system adapts. And just as these patterns were formed, they can gently dissolve. Bring your awareness now to the space around the heart, the center where emotion and energy naturally meet. Notice whatever is present there without labeling it. There may be a sense of openness, or perhaps a subtle tightness, or even neutrality. Whatever you discover is welcome. Awareness does not choose sides, it includes everything. As you rest attention here, imagine the breath flowing in and out of this space, not as air, but as gentle waves of presence. With each breath, invite a sense of ease into this center. You are not trying to fix anything, you are simply allowing energy to move where it has been held. Emotions, like energy, are meant to flow. When they are allowed to move through awareness, they return naturally to balance. You may notice a softening, a warmth, or a quiet release. Or you may simply feel a deeper stillness. All of these are signs of rebalancing. Now let this awareness expand beyond the heart, spreading through the chest, the shoulders, the throat, the face. These are places where unspoken emotions often reside. As attention moves through them, Imagine a gentle unwinding, as if long, held knots are loosening on their own. There is no effort involved. The body responds to awareness the way ice responds to warmth. Naturally, inevitably. As emotional tension begins to dissolve, the energetic body responds as well. You may sense a subtle current flowing upward through the spine or outward through the limbs. This is not something you create, it is something you notice. Energy moves toward harmony when resistance fades, and resistance fades when awareness is kind and steady. You may become aware that certain emotions arise briefly and then pass like ripples on water. There is no need to analyze them or attach meaning. Simply notice how awareness allows movement without clinging. This is emotional balance, not the absence of feeling, but the freedom to feel without becoming stuck. As this process continues, the entire system begins to feel more coherent. Thoughts quiet down. The breath becomes smoother. The body feels more unified, less fragmented. You are no longer experiencing yourself as separate parts that need management, but as a single intelligent flow. This is the natural state of balance the body remembers. Allow this sense of harmony to deepen. Imagine every cell receiving the message that it can release unnecessary effort. Muscles soften. Organs settle into their natural rhythm. The subtle body aligns itself without instruction. Balance is restored not by force, but by permission. Notice how calm now feels different from relaxation alone. It has depth, it has stability, it feels trustworthy. This is the calm that comes from integration, when emotional and energetic layers are no longer pulling in different directions. In this state, the body does not waste energy resisting itself. Everything works together. Rest here for a few moments, letting this balanced state become familiar. Let it imprint itself gently so the body remembers how to return to it. Know that this harmony is not fragile. It is resilient because it arises from within. And quietly recognize that as balance returns, you are not becoming someone new. You are returning to who you have always been. As this sense of balance settles in, allow your awareness to gently move even deeper, beyond muscles and breath and emotion, into the intimate space of the cells themselves. Imagine that every cell in the body is quietly listening, receptive to the quality of attention you are offering. Cells respond not only to chemistry, but to coherence, to the subtle harmony created by calm awareness. And in this moment, that harmony is present. Begin to sense the body not as a solid structure, but as a living field of intelligence. Trillions of cells communicating effortlessly, exchanging information, adjusting, renewing. Each cell knows its role. Each cell carries memory, order, and the innate capacity for balance. As awareness rests here, it is as if a gentle instruction is being whispered throughout the body. It is safe to relax, safe to repair, safe to return to natural rhythm. Notice how calm now permeates more deeply than before. It is no longer just something you feel, it is something you are. This calm spreads through tissues, organs, and systems, touching places you may not consciously sense. There is no need to visualize perfectly. Simply intend to feel calm settling everywhere, like a soft light moving through the body. As this calm integrates, the boundary between mind and body becomes less distinct. Thoughts arise from a quieter place and dissolve more easily. Emotions feel spacious, less reactive. The body carries itself with ease. This is integration. The state in which calm is no longer an experience you enter and leave, but a baseline that gently influences everything. You may sense that the body is learning from this moment. Just as it learned patterns of tension, it can learn patterns of ease. The nervous system records safety. The cells record coherence. And over time, this inner calm becomes more accessible, appearing naturally in daily life, in conversations, in moments of challenge. Allow yourself to rest in this cellular stillness. Feel how little effort it requires. Being calm is not something you must maintain. It is something the body remembers when given the chance. Even now, subtle adjustments are happening. Micro releases, quiet recalibrations, gentle realignments. Healing is not dramatic. It is often silent and steady. As you remain here, recognize that this integrated calm does not make you passive. It makes you responsive, present, and clear. From this state, action becomes more intelligent, choices more aligned, and life more fluid. Calm is not withdrawal, it is connection. Take a few moments to simply be, allowing this calm to anchor itself deeply. Feel gratitude for the body's wisdom, for its constant movement toward balance, for its willingness to respond to awareness. There is nothing more you need to do. And gently know that this calm now lives within you, ready to be carried into every moment that follows.